Hi guys, it's Arki. So this week's video is actually very special because as some of you may know, August 13th was the day I uploaded my first video, which is the Sol Arena vlog, which is a vlog that I made with my best friends when we traveled to Cabalaunion together. And yeah, I uploaded it on August 13th. By the time I upload this video, it's going to be exactly 1 year from that video. And a lot of you have been asking me Q&A videos for a long time now, and I don't do it because I feel like it's so narcissistic. But since it's my channel's 1 year anniversary, I thought that I might as well do that request. I have my matcha latte here and I have the questions from you guys. I did an Instagram poll and I told you guys that I'm going to be doing a Q&A video, and I asked you guys for your questions, so let's start. What video did you enjoy filming the most? It's probably the orange squeeze makeup video. Yeah, it's probably that because I know in terms of analytics, it's not doing as well as my other videos. I think the fiery makeup video is the most popular one on my channel right now. But in terms of like enjoy, I really did like the orange squeeze video. I like the way I edited it. I like the way it came out, the look in general. I really enjoyed it. So, oh my god, I look so bloated. She ugly or whatever. You know what? Ang pangit ko tingnan today. Like, extra pangit. Even with makeup. But I hope you guys ignore that. Thank you. Compared to now and when you started it, how much have you seen yourself grow as a creator? I definitely see a big difference because gumaling ako sa edit. Kasi dati talaga ang pangit ng edit ko. I feel like I was aesthetic with all those transitions and everything. But right now, I feel like it's become, my editing style has become more simple. Siguro yung perfectionism ko was toned down a little bit, and that made me less stressed when I make videos. Of course, it's still there. Like, hindi nyo alam kung gaano karaming videos yung kailangan kong i-retake. Like, yung e-girl makeup video ko, ang pangit na nun. Muntikan ko na yung i-delete kasi sobrang napapangitan ako. Pero kasi, yung video na na-upload, that was the 3rd time that I had to film that look. So, ayun, nakakainis lang. So, yun. I think I became more simple. Mas realistic na ako sa expectations ko for my own content. And overall, I'm much more happy right now with the way I'm doing my videos. Mas proud na ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Ayun. Who is your makeup inspiration? Makeup inspiration, definitely Michelle Phan. Grabe, I remember na nung bata ako, ever since I discovered YouTube, I discovered her. I remember na yung first makeup video na napanood ko sa kanya was still from her Rice Bunny channel. I believe she was one of the first makeup artists on YouTube. She was actually the motivation for me to start my own channel. Yung first na napanood kong video sa kanya is yung Lady Gaga makeup video, tapos yung Bad Romance, tapos yung Vampire. Basta ang dami niyang makeup looks na ginagawa noon. And I feel like, oh my god, someday, paglaki ko, bibili ako ng makeup, gagayahin ko yung makeup looks niya, magiging makeup influencer din ako. She's one of the biggest role models I have in my life. Ayun, favorite makeup brand. My favorite makeup brands right now are Makeup Revolution, Beauty Bay, Elf, Maybelline, and Focallure. Ano pong course tinitake niyo po ulit, and anong branch ng USC po kayo? Wait, anong branch? I'll just assume that means kung anong college. So right now, I study in UST Manila sa Espanya. And I was previously from the College of Architecture, pero right now, I shifted to the Faculty of Arts and Letters, which is yung para mga Bachelor of Arts, and I major in Behavioral Science. Ano pong K-pop groups sinastan nyo? Stan Monsta X. I used to stan Monsta X, but I don't listen to them as much right now. For boy groups, I really like Day6 and GOT7. I'm a closeted ARMY. Don't ask why. Basta I like BTS pero I'm not as vocal about it. 17! Yeah, I really like 17. For 3rd gen groups, like 2nd gen, I can't choose because the 2nd gen idols, I like every single one of them I loved. Pero for 3rd gen, yun. Tapos, for girl groups, I'm more of Cube Stan. G-Idol, CLC, I like Red Velvet. I love them a lot. I also really like XID ever since their Every Night. Ang raming girl groups, as in sobrang masyadong maraming girl groups. But when I think of groups that I stan, those are the groups that come to the top of my head. So, how do you start your career in makeup? I wouldn't really call this a career because makeup is just a passion. Well, passion. Makeup is really just like a passion or like a hobby of mine that I film and edit and put it on YouTube. If you are planning to do like kind of like a makeup vlog, I would definitely say learn a lot, like practice with makeup. As with anything related to art, you have to practice it, you have to learn from your mistakes. If you are planning to do something with makeup, you're not required to buy like luxurious brands immediately unless you're rich. But if you are on a budget, it's definitely okay to start with cheap or affordable brands like from the drugstore or from Focallure and other brands like that. Buying high-end products does not really mean that your look is gonna turn out well. So yeah, if you want to start a makeup brand, definitely start off cheap and practice. Are you self-taught in makeup or have you learned? I've never been to any makeup workshop. All the techniques that I use now are from the things that I have learned through trial and error and from experienced makeup artists on YouTube like Robert Welsh. How much time does it take to complete a video? For a makeup video, I would say about 2 hours, including the makeup that I do off cam. Because as you guys know, if you watch my videos, I do my brows off cam, I do the other eye off cam, and I do some like hairstyling off cam. So most of those take about 2 hours. 2 hours at most. Depending on the complexity of the looks, because I don't really do like very, very complicated looks. At least they're not complicated for me. So they don't take that long. How do you stay motivated? In all other aspects of life, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung paano ko kinakaya. Pero, if you're talking about like yung channel ko and how I stay motivated to do these makeup videos, it's because passion ko talaga yung makeup. Kahit naman hindi ko siya film, I just really like doing it. I like the creative process. Like, alam mo yun, masaya mag-isip ng kung anong possible look ang makukuha ko from like an item. Like, when I stare at my matcha latte, can I make a look out of that? And like, experimenting with makeup is something that I really, really like doing. So, pet peeve. Pag hindi sinasara yung pinto! Favorite songs at the moment? Naughty by Irene and Silgi. I really like Monster 2. The 5th season ng Oh My Girl. I really listened to yung rendition ng Oh My Girl ng Destiny by Lovelyz, yung ginawa nila sa Queendom. I listen to Evidencel these days. I don't know why. Close the Door by Weston Estate, Khaled, and Summer Walker. Thoughts mo on your journey sa pagshift from arki to your current course? I'm going to make a more in-depth video on why I shifted from arki, but it's definitely yung shift done, like yung journey going from a science-based course to a humanities-based course is very different. I enjoyed both a lot. I guess hindi ko lang talaga in-expect na sobrang mahihirapan ako sa arki because it was a weird feeling. It literally felt like nawawala ako kasi for the 2 years na nag-aral ako ng senior high, I always thought I'd end up being an architect. And when the realization hit me na, shit, ayoko na talaga mag-arki, that was confusing for me because like, alam mo yon, you spent 2 years of your life imagining your future as an architect and then suddenly biglang ayaw mo na palang ginagawa mo. It was very disorienting, I guess. Pero I'm happy with the way things turned out. I'm happy with my course and the people I have now and the people I've met in AV. And ayun, I'm just really happy. What inspired you to make your channel? Low-key planning to start on vlogging soon. Hehe, miss you, Aji. If you're planning to start to vlog, do it as soon as you can. Don't be like me kasi I remember, kailan ko pa ba ito gustong gawin? Ever since ever since the summer after 10th grade, hindi naman siya pagiging pero kasi a lot of people have been telling me na, uy, maybe you should start making a YouTube channel because magaling ka mag-makeup, maybe you can do looks, ganyan. Pero I never really believed them because I don't think I was good enough at makeup to actually do a YouTube channel. Ilang years pinalipas ko, 1, 2, 3 years before I actually did something. So ayun, the thing that inspired me to actually make my channel is like I grew a bit more confident with my skills because I was definitely like, oh my god, what if I flop? What if I just embarrass myself online? And eventually I let go of those fears and yun, I did what I was planning to do ever since. Favorite RV songs, top 5. Oh my god, ang hirap because I really like a lot of their songs. Tapos, yung mga B-sides pa yung mga gusto ko. Kasi, Psycho, number 1. Tapos, Bad Boy. Tapos, You Better Know, Kingdom Come. Tsaka, Red Flavor, top 3. Little Little, My Dear, tsaka About Love. Tapos, top 5, lahat ng ibang kanta nila. Why did you start a YouTube channel? It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I didn't really have like any reason why I wanted to, like, siguro kasi marami nagsasabi sa akin na mag-start na rin ako. Also, ewan ko, like, I was never the type of person to be after like fame, ganon. I guess I just really wanted like some sort of outlet for my creativity. Who's your YouTube inspiration? In terms of makeup, I'd say Jessica Vu, Sarah Chung, Michelle Phan. I still really watch her makeup videos right now. Robert Welsh, I think he makes amazing content. Aside from the makeup realm, I watch Brittany Broski and Sarah Shower a lot. I watch Cody and Noel and also Mickey Lalong. Yun. They're the YouTubers that I watch a lot right now. What's something you'd tell your 2019 self? I'd like to say that I'd tell her that it gets better. Pero it doesn't. It really doesn't. It gets worse. 2020 gets worse. Siguro I'd tell her to have a bit more trust in herself. Like, I knew 2019 was like a big year for me. Ang daming nagbago nung 2019 kasi suddenly I was enrolled in behavioral science. Not all of a sudden, but I really made a few life-changing decisions. And I guess no 2019, I was doubting everything. Like, kung may kalalagyan ba lahat, if the decisions I made were wrong. But looking at it now, it's not that bad. Like, aside from our government, everything's actually going well. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know that I should have done more, but instead I came out with a Q&A. But nonetheless, I'm really happy with the way my channel is turning out. I've been really inspired lately. I have a lot of video ideas that I'm going to do soon. I just want to thank everyone who has been a part of the journey and for everyone who has been supporting me. I hope you continue to support me and my content. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!